Phrasal verbs: 1. Add up, make sense. 2. Back up, support. 3. Blur up, explode. 4. Break down, stop functioning. 5. Break in, enter forcibly. 6. Break up, end a relationship. 7. Bring about, cause to happen. 8. Bring up, mention a topic, raise a child. 9. Brush up on, improve skill. 10. Meet unexpectedly. 11. Call off, cancel. 12. Carry on, continue. 13. Catch up, reach the same level. 14. Check out, investigate. 15. Come across, find unexpectedly. 16. Come up with, think of an idea.